Okay, coming down to the last now. Sort of this center wheel bridge here. Ditto for this. This, again, is built like an old school movement. The center wheel bridge is screwed in place. It's made of metal. You pull this thing off. Come on. Come on. There it is. Center wheel bridge. And here's your center wheel. Oh, right. I forgot. Got to pull this. Come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Out. Out. Move it. What the heck do you think you're doing? You have something better to do today? Get out of there. It won't hurt a bit. Okay. And now, here's the main difference. So there's that center wheel port. This is the one that wears out. That has to be machined out and jeweled. Whereas this one, this actually is a great design. It's where simplicity, basically, this simplicity is good because I'm hard-pressed to imagine how in the world this would ever go bad. Because that center wheel is part of this component. So you have that piece. And the center wheel and the sort of the cannon pinion, if you will, right there. That little triangle diddly, that's the friction fit for when you're doing time setting. And that's pretty durable, actually. You lubricate those, it's fine. But the whole thing sits on and rotates on this post. There's no way, I don't see how, just from sheer wear of this thing turning, I don't see how these parts could ever go bad. I mean, maybe this one might wear a little bit, but this is an incredibly strong design. And it's one of the things that kind of turned things around for me thinking about these movements. So I am going to say, let's move this to one side. Center wheel. Oh, that's the center wheel port. I already gave the advantage to the 7C. Yes, that's correct. So I already did that one. So now, I mean, we're pretty much down to the bottom of it. Get this diddly out of there. Oh, cracking. Yes, I hear you. Yes, I know. Poor Milo. I can't believe he's dead. So there's that. And there you go. Really, there are your two things. Just like that. So again, this main plate, all metal, has a ton in common with the 6309, all metal, which I have to say I'm fond of. And there, this is the main plate, the 7C. It's odd stuff. Listen to that. It's some kind of like super hard plastic. I'm not sure what. Okay, so have I talked about the main plate? I guess, I don't know. I like the fact that, well, I should confirm whether this helps in part with temperature correction. I'm going to say, the thing is though, if something goes wrong with this, there's nothing you can do about it. You can't fix it. Well, you can try to fix it. I've done it sometimes, but it's hard. Whereas this one, I can machine it out. I can put a jewel in, blah, 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 blah. So, oh, cracking, knock it off. So let's say main plate. PLT Advantage 754X.